Hello student, let me continue. Exercise 6.4, example 9 to 15 plus try these of page number 107. Chapter 6, square and square root of class 8th. Example number 9, find the square root of 729. We will find its square root by the prime factorization method. Pair 2 2s are 4, 7 minus 4 3. Write pair here. Double of 2 4. We will write a number here like 7. 7 7 is 49. Multiplied by 7 and 7 we will write here. Multiply 47 by 7. We have 329. Remainder is 0. Hence, square root of this number is 27. Next, part second. 1296. Pair 3 3s are 9. Subtract pair as 96. Double of 3 is 6. Write here 6 multiplied by 6. Write 6 in quotient also. After multiplication we have 396. Subtract remainder 0. Hence the square root of this number is 36. Next, example number 10. Find the least number that must be subtracted from 5607 so as to get a perfect square. Also, find the square root of perfect square. Pair 7 7 ja 49. If write here 8, 8 8 is 64, which is greater than 56. So we will write here 7. 7 49. Now subtract pair double of 7 14. 4 4 4 4 4 is 16. 4 4 is 16 plus 1 17. 1 4 1 is 4 plus 1 5. Subtract 131. 131 should be subtracted from 5607 to make it perfect square. We have 5476, which is perfect cube of 74. Now the next is example number 11. Important, most important example. Find the greatest 4-digit number which is a perfect square. 4-digit number. (9,999). Now we will find its square root. 9 9 ja 81. Pair double of 9 is 18. Multiplied by 9 also. Now subtract. 198 should be subtracted from 9,999. We have 9801 and the perfect square number, and its square root is 99. Answer. So greatest 4-digit number is 9801, which is perfect square number. Next one, example number 12. What least number added to 1300 to get perfect square? Double of 3 is 6. Write 6 multiplied by 6. Here remainder is 4. That's why 36 square is less than 1300 and 1300 is less than 37 square. We have to add. So we do it again. Double of this 6. Write 7. 7 multiplied by 7. 7 6 are 42. Now subtract. We have 69. So 69 should be added to 1300. That is 1369. And the square root of this number is 37. Answer. Next is example number 13. Find the square root of 12.25. Decimal number. Easy question. Before decimal, pair from back, and after decimal, pair from with the decimal. 3 3 is 9. 3 pair 25. Double of 3 6. Write 5. 5 multiplied by 5. We have remainder 0. Answer. Next is example number 14. Area of square plot is 2304. We have to find its side. For side, we will find its square root by long division method. 4 4 is 16. Pair 0 4. 4 2 is 8. Write 8 multiplied by 8. Also 8. 8 8 is 64. Square of 8 contain 4 as unit digit, and 2 2s are 4 also contain unit digit as 4. But if we put 2 here multiplied by 2, then 82 multiplied 2 is smaller than 704. That's why I am putting here 8. Multiply, remainder 0. Hence the square root of this number is 48. So side of square plot is 48 meter. Next is example number 15. There are 2401 students in a school. PT teacher wants them to stand in a row and column such that number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Find the number of rows. Total student 2401. Number of rows equal to number of column. So number of rows equal to root 2401. Find its square root. Double of 4 is 8. Write 9. 9 multiplied by 9. We have 801. Hence the square root of this number is 49. So number of rows 49. Next, try these of page number 7, 107. Estimate nearest whole number. Root 80. We know that 80 lies between 8 square and 9 square. 8 square is 64. 9 square is 81. Here 81 is much closer than 64. So root 80 nearest to 9 square. (81) is nearest to 9 square. So root 81 is nearest to 9. Nearest to whole number we have to find, not a decimal number. Next is 1000. 1000 31 square is less than 1000. 1000 is less than 32 square. 31 square is 961. 32 square is 1024. Here 1024 is much closer. Then 961. So square root of 1000 nearest to 32. Next one, root 350. 18 square is less than 350. 350 is less than 19 square. 18 square 324. 19 square 361. 361 is much closer. Then 324, because here gap is of 11, here gap is of 26. So square root of 350 nearest to 19. Next part, root 500. 22 square is less than 500. 500 is less than 23 square. Square of 22, 484, which is less than 500. 23 square 529. Here 484 is much closer than 529. So square root of 500 nearest to 22. Thank you.